Imagine, in our career, wala kaming videos, wala kaming mga coverage.
Talaga?
Wala, we didn't even have a videographer. Nobody was covering. I mean, you know, well, to me, that's one of my regrets. Okay, remember those rock, the young rock bands, diba? To us, one of our favorites was Kamikaze.
Oo.
Because they really covered it. Their version of Doobie Doobie was really wild and they owned it. When we listened to young kids grade school, alam niyo ba yung Doobie Doo? They will do the Kamikaze version. So sabi ko,
Yun ang iabot.
sabi ko, nawala na tayo dun.
Tagal sumakay. Utik. Hip-hop pa more.
Doon ka na sa una.
Okay ka muna sa vlog namin. Oh. Saan?
Papatas ko na lang to. Sige.
Paalisin na lang kaya.
Pasin natin.
Wag, kuya.
Yes, last.
Salamat kuya, salamat. Oh. May appearance si kuya.
Ayos. Parating na tayo. Aga natin Sa una. Alauna yung shoot.
Sino ba yung interview natin, boss?
Survey natin ngayon si Buboy ng Apo.
Buboy? Si Cesar Montano.
Ng Apo nga
Apo.
Apo na banda, hindi Apo na Apo.
Edi
Banda yun.
Edi may
Buboy Garobillo. Yun,
Ah.
Buboy Garobillo.
Edi may lolo na banda.
Bobo ng camera. Tara na!
Wala.
What's up, guys? Tara na, guys.
Baba mo ng mga gamit. Inot po.
Ano kaya mag-camera dyan? Tara na. Ayan, mga dala namin. Dalawang ilaw. Meron kaming picnic box. Meron din kaming board. Pangarap kasi namin maging teacher dahil. Picnic box, yan yung mga baon namin. Chicheria, yan. Ikas talaga ng mga taga-Pandan. Hello po. Hello po.
Ganun lang talaga. Yun. Ako, I'm a patient. I'm willing to wait. I don't argue as much. I try to stay away from issues.
Vicor talaga kayo nagsimula?
Our first contract was Vicor.
Okay.
That was our first.
Yun ang inabutan.
That was our first recording contract.
Marami kayong nag-gem pa kayo.
We made Gem is ours.
Oo.
Kasi.
Okay.
So yung Vicor was when we started kasi, syempre, parang Vicor was one who picked us up. I mean, syempre, sabihin na yung ibang companies, bakya yan. Ibang company, di ba? Parang the term bakya is of 70s, di ba? I hear that very often. Syempre, of course, parang you have to practice some sense of self-humility, di ba? Pero every year that I hear it, and then I realize, siguro nga, kasi siguro nga, we left a big legacy because until now, it's still very strong. Kasi di ba, a cover means I'm doing the same song but I'm putting a different cover on it, di ba? It means a different take. No?
Right.
So, show your cover.
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't have a really different cover, or in other words, make up, di ba? Parang, kasi album yan, di ba?
Right.
When you open an album, it's a cover, di ba? You see,
Right.
if you don't really have a different cover, what mo gawin? I think that's how. And Apo songs are very hard to cover kasi they cannot get away from the original. Parang ganun ba? Tapos, pag sinabi naman lang, kapag masyado ka naman binago, nakakahiya naman.
Pato yung...
Ba't ko mahiya? Kaya nga cover eh. Okay, remember those rock, the young rock bands, di ba? To us, one of our favorites was Kamikaze. Because they really covered it. Pero yung Kamikaze, their version of Doobie Doobie Doo was really wild and they owned it. Sabi ko, yan ang magandang cover. In fact, when we listen to young kids grade school, alam niyo ba yung Doobie Doo? They will do the Kamikaze version.
Yun ang iabutan.
Sabi ko, nawala na tayo dun. Which is okay, di ba? Which is okay. Ganun talaga eh. Jim was supposed to leave for Turkey. Meron siyang exchange student program. Danny was already working for 11. For a network. Apply na siya sa sales, tinanggap na siya. So, at that time kasi we were all thinking, kailan pinag-aralan mo related. Hindi totoo yun. So, I was there, I was farming, I wake up at 5 in the morning, magmumotor ako doon sa farm, check, sabihin ko doon sa enkargado, ito ang gagawin, itong mga kailangan nyo, anong field ang gagawin. I go there on Saturdays. I experience sa actually nagbabae ng payroll. Tapos, pirma dito, yung ganyan, di ba? Sabi ko, what a life. I was 100 kilometers from the city of Dumaguete. At night, inuman kami, ping-pong with my cousins. Pag may basketball, sino kalaban natin ngayon? Security. Okay. Sino kalaban natin bukas? Accounting. Sige. Alam mo, I felt probinsya talaga. I thought I was looking for a career. So I went back to Manila and the rest is history. Kasi yung TV show na ginagawa namin yung okay lang, sabi ko sa'yo, the funny thing there was, we did a farewell concert. Tsaka Lito De Hoya, the fourth member, was going to run his company, di ba, the ad agency. When we said goodbye na to each other, ito na yung lumapit sa amin si, the producer ni Rolly Grande to come up with a TV show. We did a few tapings, ganun-ganon. Tapos umisplit na ako. Yung TV show, by the time December came, was number 1. Nag-number 1 yung TV show. Kaya sabi Danny, baka gusto mo umuwi dito. Sabi ko, bakit? Ang dami nagtatanong sa atin para mag-concert. Okay. Concert. So, buo pa yung Apo. So, yun nga, when I came back, December.
1973.
Yeah. So, I came back December, tuloy yung TV show. 74, it goes in, number 1. Rolly Grande puts into our mind, we deserve bigger here, something, we have to fight for, our rights. So, parang gano'n. Hingi tayo ng race, hingi tayo ng naging gano'n, di ba? Anyway, sa madaling salita, sinarado yung show. 74. Pero number 1. Nag-number 1 ka, tapos, paano pa isasarado yun, di ba? In 74, bandang end of 74 na yun eh.
74 kayo nag-sign up with Vicor eh.
Yeah. You know why? Yung live concert namin ng 73, yung farewell concert namin, tinape namin. Naka-open reel tape lang yun. For posterity's sake.
Yes.
Kumuha ng kopya si RJ.
Sinto.
Kasi barkada. Si Danny, DJ sa RJ.
Oh, I see. I didn't know that. Oo.
So, nag-DJ na si Danny yan. Yung morning show yan siya, night show, ganyan. Tinutugtog na yung kanta namin. Yung recording namin. Nadinig ng Vicor. So, they called us and said, I think early, baka pwede natin i-record, gawing album yung live show nyo. Anong gagawin? I-edit pa yan. 3 hours show, 3 hours yung show eh. Hindi, kayo na bahala kung anong gagawin, kung anong ayusin natin doon. So, first experience namin sa recording company.
Live, yung first album niyo was the Apple Live.
Live show.
Tama.
Na-recorded in 2-track, stereo. Walang overdub. Basta, ang in-adjust lang namin doon, sino ba yung technician doon? Cinema Audio. So, sabi niya, teka, lalagyan natin ng applause to. Sige, paano? Huwag yan, masyadong lakas naman, hindi mo ganun yung applause eh. yung katunog lang nung talagang applause, diba?
Oo, tama lang.
Oo, edit natin, kanta, hindi hanggang dyan lang. Tapos, puro spills kami. Ang Apo, puro spills. Huwag yan, ito lang sinasabi niya, ito lang yun. Kami na nag-edit. Yung tape pala, pinuputol ng ganyan.
Tawag doon, splice.
Grabe.
Splice.
Literal.
Ganun.
Literal na,
So, dito kami natuto. Tapos yung first na, So, yun ang first album ng Apo. The live concert. Imagine, in our career, wala kaming videos, wala kaming mga coverage. We didn't even have a videographer. Nobody was covering. I mean,
wow.
At the best, during the late 70s, siguro may sarili kami dalang Betamax, gano'n. Pero personal lang namin. But nobody was covering us. You know, well, to me, that's one of my regrets. Because we were pushing media away. We did not,
Medyo
well,
kayo eh.
yeah, we did not want media like pakialam. When we started 69, we officially closed shop, retired, di ba? 2010. That was the finale concert, 2010. In fact, people were saying, finale concert kayo, dapat Araneta yan. Sabi namin, bakit? Kasi dapat bongga. O nga, papaalam ka na nga, tapos maghihirapan na trabaho ka pa, maghahanap ka pa ng sponsor, gagawa ka pa ng ganito, tapos pag Araneta yan, gagawa ka, kailangan may dancers ka, kailangan, sabi namin, hindi, ano ba yung Apo? Yung Apo, ano ba yung Apo? Di ba Apo yung singing group na maliit na group na gano'n? So, we ended up agreeing na let's do music museum. Kasi yun ang format ng Apo. No? Sabi niya, konti naman kawawa ng mga tao, konti naman nanonood, nakakapanood. So, di gawin natin 3 araw. Bakit 3 araw? Sabi ng mga producer namin kami. Bakit 3 araw? Kasi isa, family and friends. Yung isa, kapwa entertainers. Tapos yung isa, yung mga public figures, yung mga politiko. So, tama. 3 araw. So, ibahin natin, sabihin natin, ito yung araw nyo, ito yung araw. So, parang gano'n. I think Music Museum is only 800. So, our finale concert, or goodbye concert, was like for 2,500 people. Yun nga eh. Kasi when you say, kailangan Araneta, bakit? Kasi bongga. Apo was never a bongga group.